Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a V2Ray VMess server account and set it up using the Armod VPN app for a secure and fast internet connection. If you're looking to browse privately, access restricted content, or simply boost your network speed, this is the guide for you. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and in the search bar, type UDP Custom and hit enter. From the search results, look for the official UDP Custom website and click on it. This is the site where we'll create our V2Ray Slow DNS server. Once you're on the home page, find the menu button, usually at the top corner of the screen. Tap on it to reveal more options. From that menu, choose V2Ray Slow DNS server. This option lets us create a V2Ray server that's compatible with Slow DNS, giving you reliable and secure connectivity. Next, you'll see a page where you can select your preferred server location. Go ahead and choose the one that's closest to your region or provides the best performance. After selecting your location, you'll be directed to the account creation page. Here, just enter a username, solve the CAPTCHA, and click Create Now. Within seconds, your V2Ray VMess configuration will be displayed. Copy these details. You'll need them in the next step. Now let's move on to setting up this server in the Armod VPN app. Make sure you have the latest version installed. Head to the Google Play Store, search for Armod VPN, and install it. Once installed, open the Armod VPN app. On the home screen, tap the three-dot menu in the upper corner, then click the clipboard icon. This will automatically import the V2Ray VMess configuration you copied earlier. Once the import is successful, just tap the Play Out button to connect. And that's it! You've successfully created and connected your V2Ray VMess server using the Armod VPN app. You're now browsing securely and privately. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Drop your questions or feedback in the comments. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.